Emily Johnson had lived in the small town of Maplewood all her life. Nestled in a valley and surrounded by rolling hills, Maplewood was known for its close-knit community and charming local businesses. From quaint cafes and family-owned shops to artisanal bakeries and vintage boutiques, the town's economy thrived on the support of its residents. Emily's parents owned the Corner Bookstore, a beloved establishment that had been in the family for 3 generations. The bookstore was more than just a business. It was a community hub where neighbors gathered for book clubs, local authors held readings, and children participated in story hours. Emily grew up amidst the shelves of books, developing a deep love for reading and a strong sense of community. After graduating from college, Emily returned to Maplewood with a degree in business management and a desire to help her parents run the bookstore. She brought fresh ideas and a modern perspective, aiming to attract younger customers while preserving the store's nostalgic charm. Emily started by creating an online presence for the bookstore, updating its website and engaging with customers on social media. However, as online shopping and big box retailers continued to dominate the market, local businesses in Maplewood faced increasing challenges. Many struggled to compete with the convenience and low prices offered by larger chains. Emily noticed a decline in foot traffic at the Corner Bookstore and worried about its future. Determined to make a difference, she decided to take action to support not just her family's business, but all local enterprises in Maplewood. Emily's first step was to reach out to other local business owners and form a coalition called Support Maplewood. The group met regularly to discuss strategies for attracting customers and fostering a sense of community loyalty. They organized events like street fairs, farmers markets, and holiday festivals, showcasing the unique products and services offered by Maplewood's local businesses. One of the coalition's most successful initiatives was Shop Local Saturdays, where participating businesses offered special discounts and promotions to encourage residents to shop locally. Emily spearheaded a marketing campaign to promote the event, using social media, flyers, and local radio advertisements to spread the word. The first Shop Local Saturday was a resounding success, with a significant increase in sales for all participating businesses. To further engage the community, Emily and the coalition members organized workshops and classes led by local experts. These events included cooking classes at the local bakery, gardening workshops at the nursery, and writing seminars at the Corner Bookstore. The goal was to highlight the expertise and value that local businesses brought to the community. Emily also collaborated with the town's schools to promote local businesses. She arranged for school field trips to various shops and invited business owners to speak about their work and the importance of supporting local enterprises. These efforts helped instill a sense of pride and responsibility in the younger generation, encouraging them to support their community. Just as the coalition's efforts were gaining momentum, an unexpected crisis hit Maplewood. A severe storm caused widespread flooding, damaging many homes and businesses, including the Corner Bookstore. The community was devastated, and the local economy took a significant hit as businesses struggled to recover. Emily's parents were overwhelmed by the damage to their store, and for the first time, they considered closing its doors for good. But Emily was determined to rebuild. She organized a fundraiser to help affected businesses get back on their feet, leveraging the network and goodwill the coalition had built. The fundraiser included a benefit concert, a silent auction, and a community bake sale, all aimed at raising funds for the recovery efforts. The outpouring of support from the community was overwhelming. Residents, many of whom had been impacted by the storm themselves, came together to help their neighbors. Volunteers assisted with cleanup efforts, and local contractors offered discounted services to repair the damage. The sense of solidarity and mutual support was palpable, reminding everyone of the strength and resilience of their community. As businesses began to recover, Emily realized that they needed to adopt innovative solutions to ensure long-term sustainability. She suggested implementing a community loyalty program where customers could earn points for shopping at local businesses and redeem them for discounts or special offers. This program encouraged repeat business and fostered a sense of camaraderie among local shop owners. Emily also advocated for more collaboration between businesses. For example, the Corner Bookstore partnered with the local coffee shop to offer a Books and Brews special, where customers could enjoy a coffee while browsing books. Similarly, the bakery teamed up with the florist to create gift packages for special occasions. These partnerships not only boosted sales, but also strengthened the sense of community. Recognizing the importance of an online presence, Emily helped several businesses set up e-commerce websites and offered workshops on digital marketing. She emphasized the need to balance online and in-person experiences, ensuring that customers could enjoy the convenience of online shopping while still feeling connected to their local community. To attract tourists and visitors, the coalition launched a Discover Maplewood campaign, highlighting the town's unique attractions and local businesses. They created brochures, a website, and social media content showcasing the best of Maplewood. This initiative brought new customers to the town and boosted the local economy. Years later, Maplewood had transformed into a thriving community where local businesses flourished. The Corner Bookstore, once on the brink of closure, had expanded its offerings to include a cozy cafe and a dedicated space for community events. Emily's parents, grateful for their daughter's vision and determination, were proud to see their store bustling with activity and new customers. The success of the Support Maplewood Coalition had a lasting impact on the town. The community loyalty program was a hit, with residents proudly displaying their loyalty cards and frequenting local businesses. The partnerships between shops continued to evolve, creating a dynamic and interconnected business ecosystem. Emily's leadership and innovative ideas had not only saved her family's bookstore, but had also strengthened the entire town's economy. Her efforts had instilled a sense of pride and appreciation for local businesses among Maplewood's residents. The town became a model for other communities facing similar challenges, and Emily was invited to speak at regional conferences to share her experiences and insights. As she stood in the bookstore one busy Saturday, watching customers browse the shelves and enjoy coffee, Emily felt a deep sense of fulfillment. She had learned that true success was not just about individual achievements, but about uplifting the entire community. By supporting local businesses, she had helped preserve the unique character and spirit of Maplewood. Emily's journey was a testament to the power of community, resilience, and the importance of being grateful for and supporting what you have. Maplewood's story inspired others to recognize the value of local businesses and the crucial role they play in creating vibrant, thriving communities.